In a traffic alert, take a look at this video. Part of Big Hollow Road between Glen Hollow and Fairleigh in Peoria is closed off after a pickup truck hit a pole tonight around 8. The crash scene is near IHOP and Columbia Rug Carpet One Floor and Home. Police say the driver is alert and talking. Peoria Fire, Police, AMT, and Ameren are on the scene. The cause of the crash is currently under investigation. This is a developing story. For updates, visit our website, ciproud.com.